Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Producer Moi. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment about this tutorial. Thank you guys. Without wasting our time, today I'll be showing you on how to make an Afro type beat. So I'm going to make a very simple Afro beat. Yeah, so let's get started without wasting our time. The first thing is to find your tempo. Let's find our tempo tapper. So we start like this. So after that we can use that tempo. So I can start with playing a very simple piano from Nexus, a Barat Grad piano. So we can play like this. So let's record that. So let's quantize. Let's quantize. Shift Q. So after that, let's find some pizzicato strings, like let's try that one. Okay, let's try that one. Oh. Let's try that. Let's try that, huh? Yeah, I hope you're following, huh? Yeah. Nice one, man. So let's quantize, man. Let's find our rim shot, huh? Our rim shot. Let's first find our kick drum. So let's record our kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not a must to record your kick. You can come here. Yeah, let me first delete the first kick and then we can arrange the kick. So you can come here and go to right click and go to 4 steps here. Your kick is good, so if you hear it repeating itself, you can come here and remove this button, use loop points. After that, our snare. I'll find a snare here. So let's put our snare. So our snare, we're going to play it like this. So we are going to arrange it like that. So come here, we go to our piano roll. So let's arrange our snare. So quantize. Because we want our beat to have that swing, so we have to go to our channel rack and we have to create our swing at 30%. You'll hear the difference. Yeah, you can hear it swinging. If it's like that, it's very flat. Ta 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 ta. So if you swing it at 30%, so you can listen to it. Yeah, now our beat is swinging. Let's go to the next step. We can have two different snares like this. Let's use this and this other one. Then we're going to copy this here, this there. So then we're going to pan on both sides. We're going to pan our beat on two sides, So after that we're going to reduce the volume. We're going to reduce the volume at 50%. Let's reduce our volume at 50%. Then after that we have our hearts, we have our snare, and we have a lot of things that I will show you on the next tutorial. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Fred Moa or Producer Moa. Thank you so much. Until the next tutorial, thank you so much.